In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed fonts in a Word document. This can be incredibly useful, especially if you've ever sent a document to someone else and found that the fonts didn't appear quite the way you intended. Let's dive into how you can ensure your document looks the same no matter where it's opened. First things first, open the Word document you'd like to work with. Navigating to the right settings is where we'll start. So head over to the top left corner of your Word window and click on File. Now within the menu, you'll see an array of options. You want to select Options, which you'll find at the bottom of the list. When you click on Options, a new dialog box labeled Word Options will pop up. This is your hub for various settings, allowing you to customize how Word operates. What we're interested in today is the Save tab, so go ahead and click there. Once you're in the Save section, scroll down a little until you see a section that says Preserve Fidelity when sharing this document, or something quite similar. This is where the magic happens. What you're looking to do here is embed fonts directly into your Word file. You'll notice the option that's labeled Embed Fonts in the file. Make sure that this box is checked. By doing this, you're instructing Word to include the font files directly inside your document, which means anyone who opens your file will see it exactly as you intended, with all the correct fonts, even if they don't have those fonts installed on their system. Now, you'll see there are a couple of additional options that are entirely up to you. You might see an option to embed only the characters used in the document. This can be helpful if you're looking to reduce the document size, but keep in mind, someone else editing the document might not have the full font available for any new text they add. There's also an option which advises you to not embed common system fonts. This is logical because common fonts are usually available on most systems, and not embedding them can help you keep the file size smaller. If you're concerned about the size of the document, these options can be really beneficial. Once you've made your selection, you need to click OK to apply these settings. Be sure to save your document after making these changes. With the fonts now embedded, your document is ready to be shared, and you can be confident it will look exactly as you designed it on any device. That wraps up our guide for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips like these.